Ever wondered how companies like Netflix, Amazon, or Google deploy new features so quickly without breaking things? The secret is DevOps. But what exactly is DevOps engineering? Let's break it down in simple terms. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Your techie teacher is your go-to channel for anything tech, cloud, and DevOps. Don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community. DevOps is a combination of development and operations. It's a culture, a set of practices and tools that help software teams build, test, and develop applications faster and more reliably. Why is DevOps important? In the past, developers would write code, then pass it to the operations team to deploy. This caused delays, errors, and frustration. With DevOps, teams work together, automate processes, and deliver software continuously and efficiently. What does a DevOps engineer do? A DevOps engineer is like a bridge between developers and IT operations. Their jobs include automating software deployment so updates can be released faster. Also, managing cloud infrastructure using platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Then monitoring and security, keeping applications running smoothly and securely. Setting up CI/CD pipelines to automate testing and deployment. Scripting and automation, that's writing scripts to reduce manual work to do things automatically. Key tools used in DevOps. DevOps engineers use many tools to automate and streamline development. Some of the most popular ones include version control. For this, we use tools like Git, GitHub, or GitLab. CI/CD pipelines, here we use tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Azure DevOps. For configuration management, tools like Ansible, Puppet, Chef. For containerization and orchestration, we use tools like Docker, Kubernetes. For core platforms, we use AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle, DigitalOcean, and so on. Then for monitoring and logging, we use tools like Prometheus, Grafana, Murray, Datadog. Let's see DevOps in action. Here's how software moves from development to production. First, developers write code using version control systems like Git. Then the code is tested automatically using CI/CD pipelines to check for bugs. Then application is packaged in containers. Docker makes it easy to run anywhere. Development to cloud. Kubernetes can manage scaling and updates. Then monitoring and security. Tools like Prometheus, Datadog, to ensure the apps run smoothly. This cycle repeats continuously, ensuring software is always improving. How to become a DevOps engineer? Do you want to start a career in DevOps? The best way to learn DevOps is hands-on practice. You want to set up your own projects and try automating deployments. Let's quickly recap. DevOps is all about collaboration, automation, and delivering software faster and safer. DevOps engineers build pipelines, manage cloud systems, and keep everything running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. See you in the next video. Bye!